So this is lesson 24, problem set. Do you like this green background, or would you rather have the black? I mean, for me, I'm outside right now, and it looks black to me regardless. Oh, and I should take a picture of what it looks like where I'm doing these lectures. So this is a picture off of my front deck on September 2nd, 2016 while I'm making these videos, and it's a warm sunny day, so I thought I'd share the picture with you. Alright, let's make it go away. Alright, so the problems for this, A, B, C, and D. I would say probably C and D are going to be the hardest. So let's look at D real quick. We've got x over 2 1/4, and we're saying that equals 5. So then we'll say x over 9/4 equals 5. So we're trying to get rid of that. To get rid of that, we multiply both sides by 9/4, like that, and those go away. So x equals, remember that's 5/1, so that'd be 45/4. Nothing goes into both 45 and 4. 2 goes into 4, 4 goes into 4, but 2 and 4, neither one go into 45. So we're going to be done at that point. Let's see, anything else with problem set 24? You've got some on 23. When we hit 13, 14, 15, and 16, that's where we hit some from lesson 24. So let's look at number 14. That one is one that the examples we didn't really show. So we have 3x, and that equals 4 1/2. So let's go ahead and change that to 9/2. Divide by 3. Don't make that line thick. Divide by 3, because sometimes that would look like 9/2 if you're not careful. So that's why I kind of make that line thicker, so that I know that it's 9/2/3. Alright, so 9/2/3. Now notice they're on the same side. So because they're on the same side of the equal sign, then I can take that and make it 3/1, multiply it by the inverse upside down, and then get 9/6. 3 goes into 9 3, 3 goes into 6 twice, and I'm done. So notice, the only time I invert multiply is when the fraction is on the same side. If I had a problem such as 16, where I have x over 1/2 equals 4, I'm trying to get the 1/2 away from the x and over here. So therefore, I multiply this side by 1/2 and multiply this side by 1/2. When I go across that equal sign, I do not flip things over. And then that ends up being 4/2, which equals 2. Alright, so again, when I've got two fractions above each other, or below each other, and they're on the same side of the equal sign, I flip the bottom one over and multiply it. When they're on opposite sides of the equal sign, when I'm trying to get this one to go over here, I don't flip it over when I multiply. Very, very important to remember. I make that mistake all the time, so I'm figuring probably other people do, but I guess there's a lot of people that are smarter than me, so maybe you're not going to make that mistake. But anyway, that's the problem set for lesson 24.